Hello, join me again on another video on Friends Car Repair Corner. So today's video is going to be about the Mercedes. I know I'm sat in my Mondeo at the moment. Reason being is I need to go and collect the battery for the Mercedes. I ordered this like 2 weeks ago. Every decided, no, not going to deliver it. So I've ended up having to go through Euro Car Parts, got a refund, and also got a £20 voucher to say sorry. So I've reordered it all. Now the battery's now £20 cheaper for me. So yeah, happy days. But yeah, I'm going to go and collect it now. So that's what I'm going to go and do, collect it. Then we can get the old one out, new one in, and then yeah, test the key fob or the fuses as well, because again, my actual key fob for the car hasn't worked since I've had it. I've had to actually use the metal key, so that's something that I would definitely want to have a look at. And then yeah, can get then the car sold so I can then move on to the next project. So let's stop the waffling, let's go get this car battery and start today's video. There we go, one battery from Euro Car Parts. New battery to put in. I believe down there somewhere, yeah, just there is a 13mm, and there, and I think that will then allow me to then pull it out. So let's get the 13mm. Okay, so with the battery out, been able to save that screw, so both of them now there. So now to put this one in. Okay, right, it's in, so I'm just going to put the two bolts back down to clamp it down, and then I can attach all of the wires. She lives! Okay, so even with changing the battery, I still got the key fob still doesn't work, so let's check that. It did it. Because it's locked now. What? What the hell? Okay, I don't know what happened there, but I'm back in, so I believe I've got some fuses in here. So let's get this off and have a little look in here and see if anything's blown. I believe it's number 8, one of these. So I'm just going to start pulling and having a look. Okay, so I have swapped all of these fuses for newer ones for the exact same ampage. None of them look to have been blown, but still my key is doing nothing. In the dark, you can see it's got power. I have replaced the batteries as well, so it's got, yeah, like it's sending something, but it's just not receiving anything. Now, I don't know how it locked it that time, but it didn't then unlock it, and it hasn't done anything since. So back to the drawing board on that one. Not too sure why. So if I lock, no, yeah, nothing. But the car does work. Okay, well, I don't think that is going to stop me from having an MOT, not having a working key fob. It's not an alert, so that's all good. Now, the only alert I do believe I still have is that rear number plate one, and I think the bulb or lamp that I had bought was slightly too large, so I was going to try and see if I could try and make it fit. Otherwise, I think it was only like £1 or £2. I can go and get that from Halfords before the MOT, which is going to be the next thing I need to do, because yeah, I want to get this sold. I found another car that I want to get, and it may even replace the Mondeo as well, so we could have a complete fresh new vehicles on the channel. Yeah, first of all, I need to bleed the brakes, make sure everything is right with this, because the one thing I'm not happy with is the handbrake. I've got a feeling the handbrake is going to might fail, so I just want to make sure that all of that is okay, and then I'm fairly confident this is going to pass the MOT. So I'll do all of that off of camera. Maybe the next video I might end up doing the wheel arches or something like that over the weekend, because I doubt I'm going to get an MOT over the weekend. yeah, I'll see if I end up doing that. But yeah, if you're not subscribed, then please do subscribe, hit that like button, and yeah, join me on the next video. So yeah, cheers guys, bye.